In this video, let's learn how to multiply complex numbers. Now, in multiplying complex numbers, just like how we're multiplying our polynomials, we distribute each term and multiply them. So let's say you have 2i times 3 plus 5i. So in here, I will distribute 2i in each of the term inside the parentheses. So you have 2i times 3, then you have 6i. And then 2i times 5i, you have plus 10i squared. Now, we know that I squared is equal to negative 1. So, you have 6i plus 10 times negative 1. And then simplifying this, you have 6i minus 10. And then writing this in standard form, you have negative 10 plus 6i. So this is our final answer. So next example, you have 3 plus 5i squared. Now this is also equivalent to 3 plus 5i times 3 plus 5i. Now using the FOIL method, you have 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 5i, you have 15i. 5i times 3, you also have 15i. And then 5i times 5i plus 25i squared. Now simplifying this, we have 9 plus 30i plus 25, and we know that I squared is negative 1. And then, further simplifying this, we have plus 30i minus 25. Okay? And then writing this in terms of standard form, you have negative 25 and then plus 9. So 25 minus 9, that would be 16. So you have negative 16 plus 30i. So this is our final answer. Next, last example. So this one, we will also use the FOIL method with this one. So 3 times 2, you have 6. 3 times 4i, you have negative 12i. 5i times 2, you have 10i, and then 5i times negative 4i, so that would be negative 20i squared. Now simplifying this, you have 6 minus 12i plus 10i minus 20 times negative 1. And then we will have 6 plus 2i, minus 2i. This one, negative 12 plus 10. And then negative and negative, you have positive 20. So therefore, our final answer would be 6 plus 20, you have 26 minus 2i. So this is our final answer.